The stadium is evolving fast, and today brings another strong step forward, highlighting steady and impressive progress across the site. Compression ring progress continues with 13 of 124 sections installed, showing precise engineering and steady, controlled execution. The third tier is also in a refined finishing phase, with joint sealing and detailing giving the stands a clean, high-quality look. Stay with us as we bring you more behind-the-scenes views and incredible progress from Camp Nou's transformation. Today's Camp Nou update brings another exciting moment for the compression ring, as Section 13 has been successfully installed. After a brief pause yesterday, the TC3 crane was back in action, lifting this 26-ton section into a very tight and precise position between the previous box and a radial beam. With this installation, the structure continues to rise steadily, reaching 13 completed sections out of 124. The progress is looking solid, and the stadium is clearly starting to take its final shape step by step. The third tier is now entering a strong finishing stage, where detailed work is becoming more visible day by day. Workers are carefully sealing the joints between the prefabricated stands, a small but important step that reflects the precision and quality of this phase. In the VIP ring and tribune areas, steady progress continues with aluminum profiles and other finishing elements being installed. This shows how the stadium is moving from heavy structural work into a more refined and polished appearance. As we move through the Gol Sur, the master area continues to show steady progress. The newly visible anchors are a clear sign of the next stage of structural work moving forward. Here, the focus is on precise finishing, with welding, structural fitting, and alignment work for upcoming beam installation. The zero zone is also taking shape after scaffolding removal, showing clean and controlled advancement. Overall, it's a solid and well-managed phase, with smooth coordination and clear structural progress across the area. In the Gol Sur Tribuna sector, steady progress continues across key areas with well-organized structural work visible throughout. The first VIP ring closure is taking shape, while welding works in the corner area continue on main beams with precise assembly. The access elevator is also active, supporting smooth movement between levels. Overall, this sector reflects consistent and controlled construction progress. From the Tribuna area, steady and visible progress continues across multiple zones. Materials are being lifted towards the VIP ring through mobile cranes. In the left nucleus, utility-related works are ongoing with careful preparation, while in the right nucleus, the first concrete slab has been successfully installed, marking a positive and important step forward in this section. Overall, the Tribuna area reflects smooth, organized, and continuous construction progress across the stadium. Inside the stadium, the VIP lounge areas are now looking truly impressive. The space is clearly taking shape and already reflects the world-class quality expected from this project. This development shows that the new Camp Nou is not just a football stadium. It's being built as a complete elite-level entertainment destination, offering a premium experience unlike anywhere else in Europe. At the same time, important work is happening in the kitchen areas. Insulation is being installed, which is a key step in preparing these spaces for large-scale professional catering operations. Proper insulation ensures efficiency, functionality, and high performance regardless of external conditions. Alongside this, plastering work has also started, showing steady progress toward completion. In the South Gol area, concreting work is progressing steadily, with a concrete pump actively supplying material to a new superpillar. Several previously completed superpillars are now fully concreted, structurally connected, and stripped of formwork, showing clear progress into the tribune zone. Work is also advancing on the next superpillar, already prepared with formwork panels to ensure continuous workflow without delays in this critical phase. At the intermediate logistics level between the second and third tiers, crews are installing metal decking supported by beams and temporary formwork, indicating that this area is moving closer to its concrete stage. That's a wrap on today's update. From the compression ring to the third tier and ongoing works across Gol Sur and Tribuna, everything continues to move forward with strong progress and precision. Stay tuned for more behind-the-scenes updates on the stadium's transformation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next update. Visca Barça, always.